Secondly, a little time when you come here, you find man already. You tell him, say, I did you get the
Richie? Anybody inside? Hi, Richie.
Hey, what going, cuz?
How are you doing?
I when you fly in.
You know I came yesterday?
Yesterday you come.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was part of stay.
I came to stay by you. Someone direct me to your house. I heard
Alright.
you have this big apartment around here, looking real nice, and I would love to stay in one of the rooms just for a while.
Yeah man, but you are going, you know, say I rent the room them still, so me no know, although me and family still, somebody me did promise, somebody want a room still and me have it there wait for them to come. So if you plan for rent here, you could have probably get it until them come.
You know, before I leave, I went to the bank and I forgot my card. So I didn't take as much money with me. I just take a little bit of money to buy a drink and a box food.
So you want to put up for free then?
No, it's not like really for free. I just need to stay with you for a while and then I leave.
Alright, so here I go on now, cuz. I tell you the truth. Me not go lie to you. Somebody call me and they tell me say you dey get locked up over so you know.
No, that was a joke thing.
Yeah man.
I just...
Let me tell you what me here. Because I don't want to beat around the bush. Because they can't bother the hypocrite business. Let me tell you the truth.
Okay, go ahead.
Somebody tell me say you get involved in some things while you're over there and the feds then lock you up and I dip you get dip.
Are you going to listen to them or are you listening to me? You believe in them. I'm your cousin. You need to hear what I said. Listen what I'm saying to you now. Those feds and me are what? Friends. We just meet up together. And they say I must go back to Jamaica and spend some time.
You hear me I say? I know you a long time and I know say you're involved in a whole little thing and you're lying. So I know say where you come with now, nothing no go so. So you have to explain yourself. Me have family. So you know me I go do? Me I go make you just stay there for a little while until you get yourself together. Then you probably can either pay me for your room or you probably, if you don't feel comfortable yourself, you can rent to an next house.
So do I have to pay you now?
No. Me tell you say you can go and build there until you straighten up yourself. Because you don't have to beat on the bush. Me know you a long time and know how you stay. But until us if you grow in a house where mama dead left run so but actually me know say that the house there Duckans and Yami don't call from mama dead, the house dead with mama. So me know how you go. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, so yeah man, so you have to lie to me, me know how you go. Alright, cause and me can see it. See that thing dip with just one knapsack.
Richie, you know, say somebody give me this on the road door for care. And them forgot it. I'm just scared with me. But don't worry about it. He will come back one next time and
Alright,
then
cuz.
call it for me.
Alright, cuz.
Okay.
Alright. Go on.
Thank you.
Go on.
Yo, Ricky. Oh, go on. See you later, man. Yeah, dude.
Oh, bro, I'm just there, so I chill out.
Hey, some can forward?
Yeah, man, the gate open.
Ah, brother. Glad me see the IT, you know, cause I say probably is all a lunch money, man. Cause sponsor an idea, yeah. But, brother, things rough.
Where the fuck?
No, they are Ricky. Hey, they on the off?
Yeah, man, you know, I can't choose whenever day off, you know. That's a farming work I do.
Yeah, when I grow up, I want to be like you know. Boy, I'm there walk a stroller, so I hope some see you still, I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. Yeah, man.
Not a problem with it, you know.
No matter a problem, you know, you don't know. But frost out certain way, brother, I swear to you. Maybe even I'll stay in, to be honest. Maybe not come out.
Yeah, that's what I'm say for him.
School, man. Brother, things rough, you know, brother. No work. Why, me only I eat 2 times a day now.
Yeah.
Things tough, man.
So I'm the construction work you get out of there.
That no work out, my G. Them done sort out what them a sort out and them end up lay off some people, isn't me? So, me there again, right again, back a yard.
You know my cousin, Jimmy, we live up there, so. Up around here, though.
The Rasta, brother. Yeah, man, I know Jimmy, man. Yeah, man. Know Jimmy.
I don't know if you know, but
Yeah.
you have one tourist place
Yeah?
up around the river where you run off.
Yeah.
So, we can talk to you, man, get you on work.
Yo, Ricky, but I'm grateful. Boy, right, you know, I swear to you, the best news that you have said to me in idea.
But, you know, our youth, I don't know for sure, you know.
Yeah.
Cause I'm a cousin, but me and him not close as most cousins.
Put in a one word for me. You know, nothing beat a trial but a failure.
Can't ask him, but
Can't hurt.
me not make no promises, you know. Me just tell her straight up. You know, me not make no promises.
I wouldn't mind you can put a press on it and get a link to him like, alright, no. Cause, as me tell you, nothing go on, things really set away.
Alright. What me I gonna do? Tomorrow, me and you go up there and we check in.
That even sound better. That
So-
even sound better.
But me link you just in case, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yo, I appreciate that, you know. See,
Yeah.
me even about to ask you for the $1,000 when me did that come out. I swear to you.
I never have none for give. I swear.
Yeah, brother, we link. But they back on my block.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Let me do all the talking, yeah? Because even though I'm a cousin, he head kind of like that.
Alright, no problem.
So, let's see we done thing. Yes, yeah, you know. Well, go on, cuz. Yeah, good. No, so I come to get one link. You good, though?
Yeah, man, everything up.
So I'm bridging them. He come to me and say, he want work, so come to you and see if you can give him something to do. So he can go and chill out.
Yeah,
man.
you know about farming, man?
I really know much, you know, but I'm willing to learn, is it?
Yeah. Alright. You know, some my student them we teaching.
Yeah, man, me's a fast learner, man.
Alright. You see over there, so I buy some dirt from down a room. You filter press dirt them. So you know your first thing what you have to go do, prove say you're interested, we will give you a barrow. 2 shovel. So you go load up it and carry dirt, them come right here, sir.
Right, yes, sir?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we can do that, man.
Okay. All right. Once you can do that, now, your first assignment that, you know. So once you can do that, you know, so you're good. Because you know, say you walk one and thing, you're no joke thing in that.
Nah, laugh it out, man.
So me I say, because everything what we do it to make money. Yeah. What me I say? Me call us.
But,
Go and do your
yeah, Ricky, respect, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
They'll
Mr.
take
Alright,
care
we
of
link.
you, man.
Yeah, man, we
Our
link,
cousin.
Alright.
The little boy here.
Me call us.
What's the way I go now?
Yeah, man.
Hello. How you doing?
Hi.
Okay, I see you enjoying the river, man.
Yes, the water is nice.
It's
I
nice.
like it.
You
I
like
like
it?
it here in Jamaica. The
Oh,
water is so cool. Very nice.
okay. So you're not from around here?
No, I'm not from here. Not from this area, but I'm from Jamaica. I was born in Jamaica, but I grew up in America,
Oh,
in New York.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice, that's nice. Okay,
It's
cool.
nice here, though. I miss a lot.
So you're here by yourself?
Yeah, I'm by myself. I'm just enjoying the nice, cool breeze in Jamaica that I miss from I was a child. I've been to America from about 5 years old. I grew up there. This is my first time back in Jamaica since I've left.
So how about this area? This is the first time here?
Oh yeah, this is my first time here on the river. It is so cool and nice.
Okay, well, welcome to Round River.
Someone introduced me to this place.
Yeah, it's always nice and lovely here.
But I end up after paying some money before we take me here though. He charged me about $15,000 Jamaican. Yeah, that's what he did. Yeah, Jamaica is a beautiful place. I like it.
I can take over that job for you, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you seem like a really nice person.
So what's your name?
I'm Chad.
Okay, I'm Candy. Nice meeting you, Chad.
All right, Candy, pleased to meet you. The pleasure is all mine.
Yeah.
Okay. I like it. You're enjoying yourself, man.
Yay.
So you have relatives or something around this cut?
No.
No?
No.
You're here all by yourself?
By myself. I'm just on a vacation. I just came to spend a little time and then I go back.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So where are you staying?
You know, I have an apartment. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I have an apartment here. I stay over there, send money here to one of my little friends. Yeah. I trust him very much.
Okay.
He's staying at the house. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That is really nice.
Yeah.
I like that.
And my cousin lives there too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're like a business personnel then?
Not really. I just have it here in case I come with my friends or my family. They can stay there.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So where's Huzzy?
Oh, I'm not married. Not
You
yet.
don't have any husband?
No, I'm not. This is just a promise ring.
A
I'm
promise
not married
ring.
yet. Yeah. Hopefully soon though. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. That's really nice. I'd really like to get to know you. You seem like a really nice person.
I am.
I can take you around and show you a
Really?
bit of the place. Of course.
Oh my God, I would really love that.
Of course, baby girl.
You seems like a nice person too.
I am. Trust me, I am.
Oh, who do you love a drink?
Oh, you're offering me a drink? That's really nice.
Okay. I don't have any change in me right now. I use my card, but I forgot the PIN number
Oh.
and I left it at home. So when I go down back to the place, maybe.
Oh, so you would like to take me to the house?
Yeah, I am going to take you there because he seems like a nice person.
Oh,
Like
my.
a trustworthy person.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, Candy, I'm beginning to think that I really like you, you know.
Oh, you like me?
Yes, you
How
seem
much you like
really.
me?
I really like you a lot, Candy.
Oh, I can see that impression on your face that you're a loving person.
Mm-mm.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh no.
You don't?
Mm-mm. I'm very much single.
Oh, okay.
Very much single. I think this is really budding to be a really nice relationship, you know.
Really? You think so?
I really
Oh
believe
my
so.
God.
Imagine you being single, me being single.
Oh.
God brought us here for a reason.
I just thinking if this is a coincidence. We both single and we met today at the river.
I'm on my lunch break.
Oh, you work?
Yes, I actually
What
work
do
for
you
the
do?
tours. I work for the tourism sector.
Wow.
Yep. When tourists comes here, we carry them on the river and give them a tour along the riverside in the hills and show them the farm, the beauty of the place.
Oh my God.
Yup.
That must be exciting.
No, trust me, it is real
Oh.
beautiful.
That is beautiful because you get to meet and greet different people and socialize with them from different
Variety of
countries.
people.
Oh my God, that is so nice. I would love you to take me around the place too.
I believe that is going to happen.
Oh, that
You
would
don't
be
have to worry.
awesome.
Oh, it's going to happen. Don't have to worry about anything. I'll definitely be taking you
So
around.
where are you going now?
Where I'm headed back to work shortly.
Oh, where you live? In this area?
I live in the area.
Oh, you're living in this area?
Yes, I live in
Oh
the
my
area.
God, can I know your place? Oh yeah, well, are you living with your
Eventually.
families or friends?
Yeah, I'm not really living in a luxurious spot, you know, just a little thing where, but I would really, your place seems like a nice place where,
Are
you
you
know.
paying rent or something? Because I could offer you some money to pay your
Oh
rent
my
every month
goodness. Wow.
and send you stuff from America to Jamaica. Is it expensive to send stuff here?
It's not expensive, you know.
Oh,
It is really not
okay,
expensive.
that's cool.
I like
Okay.
your headspace, you know, I like how you're thinking forward.
Because if you're paying rent, I can just take up that responsibility. I
Oh
like
my
you a
goodness.
lot.
Wow. You're making me feel real nice right about now, you know.
Okay, you want us to take a walk on the road?
I believe we
Because
can.
I really enjoy this, but I can come back another time.
I might have to go back to work soon.
Oh,
So yeah, I would definitely be taking a rain check on that. What I
okay.
would do though is that you could give me your information and then we'll meet up and then you can, you know, introduce me to your to your people and then I'll take you around.
You could give me your number. My head is like a computer. I could keep your number in my head. I leave my phone at home. I have an iPhone 15 Pro
Oh.
Max.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very expensive in America.
And in
But I
Jamaica
could
as
get
well.
you two of them.
Oh my.
Or you could do a business here and stop working for people. I could buy you cars and bikes and stuff like that so you do your own
My
business.
goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
You
Wow.
just have to be honest to me. So when you sell stuff, you just give me some money and you could take the rest, you know?
Okay, baby girl.
Okay.
I like the idea. I
Yeah,
I
but
love
I'm
the
gonna leave
idea.
now though. I think I'm getting as much. I'm gonna leave
Oh,
now.
okay.
So
Okay, no
you
problem.
could give me your number.
All right, so the number is 288-6801.
Okay, 288-601.
6801.
I'll just save it when I go home.
Okay, no problem. I'll
Okay, it
definitely
was
look
nice
forward to hear
meeting you, Chad.
The pleasure is all mine, Candy. I
Okay.
can't wait to hear
I
from
can
you.
give you a hug. Hang on.
Oh my. Let me help you up.
Oh, I'm coming. Let me get up.
Let me get you up. Yeah, man,
Hello.
let me help you up. Oh my.
Nice meeting you. Oh, you're feeling so lovely. I like your
my
beard.
goodness.
It's beautiful.
Wow, thank you.
Ah,
You're looking
and
really
you're
nice.
looking strong, like a
Well,
strong man. You can lift me up.
Oh my.
Oh my God. Can you help me up there, please?
Oh, for sure.
Okay.
Let me get you up here.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Definitely. Yeah, get your stuff.
I'll get my slippers, okay?
Right, let's see.
Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Yes, man, for sure, baby girl, man. For sure. So, baby, this is your house?
Yeah.
Jesus.
You like it?
Oh my goodness. Yo!
It's looking beautiful, ain't it?
I seriously, baby, are your place? Are you own this? The whole of this are your one?
It's mine. It's mine. I leave it with my cousin.
Yo! Yes! I like it. Yeah, baby. Everything nice, man. Yo! Baby, I like what I go on, man. I like
Okay,
it.
we're gonna go through that door.
We're going through there, so?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I like it. Jesus. Oh, this is a nice neighborhood too, you know, babes. Oh my goodness, baby, man.
Oh, wow, where's that going now, cuz?
What going, Chief?
This is my boyfriend.
Pick up yourself, you know, man.
That I
yeah,
met.
yeah, man, I'm a baby, this man.
Alright, cuz. Give me a minute, let me talk to you.
Baby, no matter go too far.
Yeah,
no,
Mr.
baby.
Mr. Talk to me, G.
I'm coming back. Just give me a
Okay,
minute, okay?
baby.
Love you.
Oh my, they love you more. Secondly, a little time when you come here, you find man already. You tell him, say, I did get dip.
Are you trying to insult me? And you're talking too loud. Don't let him hear you. Why are you talking like this? Richard, you know I've been by your place and then I bring my boyfriend over. I already told him that this place is mine. Shh, don't talk too loud because I don't want him to know that this place belongs to you.
No, Candy. Me take you up, you know. I'm telling you, you can't stay there.
Yeah, no, but he doesn't know that.
Are you really
What are
gonna?
you talking about, man?
Are you really gonna tell him, man? You really gonna tell him, man? Say,
I liked him. He looked like a real nice, good man. Yeah, can handle.
Candy,
Yeah.
the man look like a gigolo. And that me I try to tell
He
you.
does?
Listen, man. But if you tell him, man, say, I feel your place this, and you have big house and you have this and that, him man I go and scam you like a gigolo.
I want him to feel like I have
Listen,
money.
man, I want work. You shouldn't have forget and get yourself together. You're gonna get man. Eh?
You're talking too loud. Why are you shouting like that? He's waiting on me. Can I go now?
Listen, man. Candy, you need to fix your act, you know. We know you're fine, you know. And me ask you for a little thing, you know. I sound like a $10 and $20 you send, go and give me, you know.
You don't know what I've been through over there. I save all my money so when I go back, I can send you some. I can pay you for this place too.
If you get deep, how you go back?
I can go back in different names.
Where you go back on boat?
It doesn't matter as long as I reach.
Jesus Christ.
Richie, I'm going like I said, I can't give you some money. I want to you. When I go over back, I can send you money through Western Union. You know what I mean?
You know, so I feel like you're there fine too long. God no. I feel like you're there fine too long. You're there fine too long and I feel like it cool I affect you. Because if you sound like a madman. I mean, madman.
Are you using psychology in me,
Ah,
Richie?
you know what? See over there.
You try to disrespect my intelligence? Richie, I don't want you to disrespect me in front of my man. He's waiting on me. I can't stand with you no more.
Right off. No, baby. It takes so long. Sure. Let me see no more.
Okay.
Why, baby? I don't know how you do it.
I'm going to let you say hi to my cousin. Come let me
Yeah,
introduce you.
man. We talk to you, baby, but...
Babe, I want to introduce you to my cousin. Come on, let's go.
Babe.
Hey, Richie. This is Chaz. Chaz, this is Richie, my boyfriend. He's a nice guy.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Quick Question. Let me ask you something. I mean, to get it on the business. Me happy for you to understand now. You don't think you're too young for my cousin?
No, man, what you talk about, man? You're a big grown man, man. Nah, man, no matter watch that, man.
Richard, why
Love
are you
has no
saying that?
numbers in a man.
Age is just a number. I love
Nah, my
him. We're
baby,
gonna
this
get
man. Oh
married.
my goodness,
We're
man.
gonna get married soon. Yeah, we're gonna get married soon. Is something wrong with that?
Alright. Big up on yourself. Me give them a blessing. Wishing you all the best.
I'm a baby, man.
Alright, I'm going to business.
Yeah, man. Oh my God, I can't wait to see inside, babes. This house just looks beautiful outside, man.
You love it?
I love it, baby, man.
Okay.
Bossy, I do a good job, man. I like how you take care of the place, man. Yeah, man, I saw me I go do it when time you gone, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Johnny. I'm going.
Okay.
So we can go inside now, baby. Let's go inside.
Thank you.
Baby.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Anything for you? Good?
Yes, please.
Alright, so let us pray. Thank you, Father, for this beautiful date. I would like to thank you, God, for this wonderful lady that you have brought into my life. I'd like also for you to bless this food, bless this union, and many more to come, you know? Many more riches and blessings. Thank you.
Amen.
Amen, baby girl. Babe. Jesus. Babe. Jesus. You're very hungry, hon.
What?
I heard a total side of you. What happened to the accent like a side of you that I've never heard before, baby girl?
Accent? Are you talking about my voice? Is it changed?
Big time. Like me never know you a while ago.
Listen, I'm a born Jamaican, but I grew up in America. I just like the accent, but I don't know how to speak patois. I just like it, so I'm trying to talk it. You understand what I'm saying? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bro?
Okay, Kat.
Yeah.
Okay, babes. Alright, babe. Finish, man.
I finished long time ago. I was watching you and wondering, why are you taking so long to eat?
It's fish. You have to take your time and eat fish, babes. But apparently it doesn't affect you.
You lucky. You know the reason why I'm not going to eat this? I'm going to save it for later. I don't waste food. You understand what I'm saying? Babes, I'm choking.
You're eating, I think you're eating a bit too fast, you know, honey.
Am I?
Just slow down.
Listen, I like to eat like this. This is my best way of eating around the table so people can see me. But wait, hold on. Let me ask you something. The people then couldn't get one spoon. You know, say, anyam. Next time, when me and you come to our restaurant, you need to order a spoon so I can get it and I eat, you know, much better. Okay? Food. I will reimburse you back with everything, even more. Don't worry about it, okay?
Wait, tell me say you bring me come a lunch, babes.
That's what in my head to take you for lunch, but I have it in my head long time that you're gonna pay for it. I can't even imagine that you was coming here and thinking that I was gonna pay for this food. No way, I told you I ain't got no money. You don't understand what I'm saying? My card's stuck in the machine. Can't you get that? Just go ahead and pay for it. I'll give you back everything that you spent. Listen, I'm even gonna take you overseas with me, remember? I'm gonna sort your paper out. We're gonna get married. You forgot? Okay, go ahead and pay for it.
All right.
I'll give you back everything. Yeah. You're gonna get extra on it. Don't worry. I have money, and you know it. So go ahead and pay for it and let's go.
Ricky! Ricky!
Yo.
Oh, brother, what go on? Wake you up?
Yeah, man.
Cha. Always I tell you someone want to be like you when I grew up, you know. But you look like it come true.
Oh, yeah, chat about.
Oh, me a chat about. You remember the reason we sit down there's a reason? Why me I tell you everything just start going good for me, brother. Yo, me I tell you something about this 10 female, you want to know what go on? It's not even a Jamaican. A foreigner, my G.
A foreigner?
Oh, God, man. Girl just come out upon vacation. Nice piece of link. Brother, woman all have one apartment on the scheme.
On the scheme?
Oh, Jesus, man. You want to see the big old house? She carry me go show me the place. She have all one, I think it's her cousin. I go and control the place for her. Yo, pretty soon me I go and link that, my G. And me I go take care of them things there.
That sounds good.
Yeah, man, she said she soon gone back over to you know. Everything she gonna make me deal with, Brassy.
So you soon fly out?
Yo, she said she gonna carry me up.
But, wait, what happened to Fear Girl? Fear one way where you place them? Hartford? What happened to she?
Brother, right now, I can't do the thing. Can't do the link, my G.
I say you fall in love fast though.
I don't matter fall in love, my brother. But you have to understand, you know. You see certain little things, you have to jump on it. An opportunity this. And right now, my girl need to hold me back. I can't do it. Yo, I said the girl talk, wait, brother, when I will go to the metal, I said she talk big enough though.
She has spent money.
Yep, she don't really start spending yet, you know. But watch her, no, man. Yo, me know. You see, based on how she talk, everything will go alright. Brother, every time me spend that money out of my pocket, she said she gonna give me it back 2 and 3 times full. So me start calculate it. So if me spend a $50,000 or so, me look on all 150 when time she give me back the money, brother. Yo,
so she start give back money yet?
No, man, just cool. I'm watching a little thing happen to her card. So as soon as the card free up, cause them don't know so she out of the country yet. So as soon as the card free up, money like crazy, my G. Yo, all you, dog. I make you meet her, you know. Yo, man, I can give her a thing to you, know, my brothers. Yeah, man. You see, all the time I fly out, up to Ricky, everything I got nice in my yacht. Mama tell you.
But I'm not gonna lie, brother. That kind of sound fishy stills. Cause if you spend, she's supposed to spend money, to be honest, you know.
But get your point. But watch out, man. She reassure me say everything alright, man. And I get it. And watch out, man. Trust me, brother. You see, our argument solid. Our argument concrete, man. Based on how she explain it to me. Yeah, man. I no doubt her. Don't doubt her. I believe her, man.
Alright, just make sure you say careful, though, you know.
I'm careful, man. I'm careful. Trust me, brother. Right now, my name now hold back. I want to make sure say, she believe in me. So anything she ask me about and I can do, I do it. Because I want when she invest back in me, brother, I get the whole light. Yo, right now, if your things are going good, Ricky, I'm not lie to you, you know. All the work, I plan for leave when I the upside, you know.
Wait. Brother, you have to leave your work.
Just hear me, Ricky. I want to spend as much time as possible with this girl, you know, because I want to make sure say, she feels secure around me. So I don't want nobody else go around her. I don't want nobody else get the opportunity.
I understand what you say, brother, but I must say, my cousin asked you to give her work, you know. I'm tell you already say, even though I'm a cousin, me and him know, a friend like that that go look away upon me, you know, say, me ask man for give her work, you know, and you just go left. No, listen, me not say if you stay in that work, you know, or me I say, just wait till you fly out. At least collect money. I want next money that in your pocket, you know. So just collect your money and stay in that work.
Ricky, I swear you're saying, and you have a good point, you know. Ricky, boy, I don't know the feeling of what me I feel right about now. Everything just feel right.
So you just go left it?
Me I tell you, probably I can go tell him, probably I can explain it to him, I don't know. You can...
No, brother. I don't explain nothing to no man, brother. If you have a left work, you have to do it yourself. Because if you do, the man there, you know, the man there are some dangerous man when it comes to their money still, you know. So if you have a left work and you need to straight up and just go to him and tell him.
You know what? May I give him a call?
No. No, brother, do not call and tell him say I left work. Listen to me now, brother.
Hold on, man. See me, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, we just there talk about it, you know. Hey, watch out now. Ricky, we'll give you a link, you know.
Yeah, brother.
Go on, baby,
Brother,
baby.
Do not.
Just cool now, my boss, man. Yo,
Straight
baby,
up say
I just was talking about you. How you doing, baby? Yeah, man, I'm there, man.
I'm more know some get
Yeah,
no
baby.
problem,
Yeah. What you say?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Are you named Garlene?
How you want to know?
I do. You know that I heard some news going around that somebody by the name of Garlene can hook me up with some visa to go back to the state?
You know work with the feds.
Do I look like I work with the feds?
You ever been to the States yet?
Yeah.
You been to the States before?
Yeah, I was there.
So, what's the reason that I want a visa for right now?
I got into a little situation, so that's the reason why I think I needed one from you, because I heard that you were doing it on the beach.
So basically what you're trying to tell me is that there's a deportee.
Well, something like that.
It's not something like that. It is what it is. There is a deportee. You're there foreign, you're getting into some problem and you mess up and you want
Listen,
back at second
let's
chance,
not
right?
go into that part. How can you get me over there?
If you're deported with some face still, you know. Yeah, what I want. Fear case and kind of hard. Watch out now. A visa you want and you're deported, you're done in our system as a deportee already. They can't change that. And you done them put a red flag for your name. You understand? So in order for you to get another chance like that, me have, as I can say, a boat me deal with. You understand? So me have boat where we left from here so I'm go different places and can people go anywhere. But it's up to you, you know, if you're ready to spend the money because the boat more expensive than to actually get the visa.
Whatever it takes, no problem. I just want to get back into the country. I need to go back to United States. So if it's money, no problem. I can give it to you. So what's the cost?
A case like that, you know, because how you think work, I'll tell you how it work. You go left from here, so I pick you up at a point. Then you go there, so you carry go in the Mexican waters. Right? When I reach in the Mexican waters, another boat will take you. And I go carry go to over in Mexico. You understand? And then they will bring you go at a certain point, secret location, where they will carry go to the wall. You can climb.
I'll try.
You'll try. You have to can climb, you know. That's a part of the process.
Is it a tall wall that I have to go over?
It's a very tall one, man. Just not wearing a skirt on them.
Am I going to be safe on that boat?
Listen to me now. All you need to do now, if you're serious, You just bring 450,000, come give me.
Okay.
Every day. You understand?
Oh, can I get your number, please? I would love to call you.
No, man. My thing different, man. Me not use number, man. Me use word of mouth.
So can I find you back here?
Every day, right? That's up. My
Okay.
word is my bond.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Hello.
Jeez, peace. Kenny, what you doing here?
I found out about your information where you're working, so I came by you.
Jeez, peace. This is a surprise.
This is where you work?
Yes, this is
Oh.
this is actually where I'm working.
Oh, they're smelling so nice. So what do you call these?
You're not supposed to be
Oh,
touching these things.
am I gonna
Please.
get in trouble?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
So what are these?
Oh, these are purple skunk.
Okay.
Right. So you have a various different types of budding and grafting.
Okay.
And so this is like the nursery for it.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is where they come up with the many different types of weed and flavors and herbs. So,
I
yeah.
can see that you're working very hard. That means you get real good wages here.
I just started working, so it not really manifest as yet, but it's it's better than nothing, to be honest.
Okay.
No, but I still can't believe like.
Anyway, I'm happy to see you. Give me a hand.
Oh my goodness. Jeez, I never expected, like, I never expected to see you.
Okay.
Yo.
I came to see you,
Mm-hmm.
but I would love for you to do something very, very important for me.
Hey, what's wrong? Anything, I'll do anything for you right now, baby. What is wrong?
Okay, you know, I went to the store and I take out something,
Mhm.
and the money that they charged me, I went to the machine and
Mhm.
put my card in, and my card stuck in the machine and didn't came out back. But I have to go back overseas first before I can get it back at the bank.
Oh,
So now I want you to pay for it for me. I'll give you back. Don't worry about it. It's not much. It's just about $100,000.
$100,000.
Yeah, Jamaican, not US.
Ooh, see, I just started working, I'm gonna
I know you can do
really
it.
have not much money like that, but I like you. And I believe like the connection is there and I trust you. So yeah man, I should be able to can do that.
You really trust me?
Yeah man, I trust you,
Okay, that is very nice of you.
Yeah man, I
Thank
swear.
you so
like,
much.
yeah, man, like,
I am a trustworthy person. You don't have to worry about a dime. You give me 100. When I go over back, I'll send it back to you straight away. You don't have to worry about nothing. I'll give you the 100 and even twice. Yeah, I
wow.
can give you more money than the 100,000. Okay?
No problem. So
Okay.
what is it exactly you bought?
Okay. You know, the item is kind of secret. I don't want to talk it in the public. So when I see you again, I can tell you what it is.
Oh,
Yeah. Mhm.
okay.
Yeah.
So you came like deliberately to come see me?
Yeah, I want to see you and I want you to pay for that thing for me. But I'll give you it back, as I said before. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
You can get interest. You know I will. I have money like that overseas. Don't worry about it.
Jesus.
Yeah.
God, you keep saying these things.
Okay, so how is the day going?
It's not bad, I'm just about finished.
Oh,
Just about finished. We can actually go. We can go have lunch. It's just about finished for my first shift.
come on, let's go. You're gonna buy me lunch, right?
But I can buy you lunch.
Okay, no problem.
And take
Let's
it
go.
to a nice little spot.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, man. Take it to a nice little spot.
I love this place.
Yeah, this is a nice place.
It's real nice.
I enjoy it, and you have some nice stories coming through and all.
Mhm.
So yeah, it works. Ashley.
Oi.
What going?
Oh, yeah, call me. Come in, no, man.
No, I want to talk to you about something. I don't want to come in right now. So here what going. You know? I get a look over a couple from my virgin place. And, you know, a couple of weeks now, I'm there and a little thing come true for me. I meet a one female, a nice foreigner, and me and she had upon a little reason, and I'm not gonna lie to you. She a treat me good and she a show me little vibes where I think something can manifest out of it. Watch you know? No, say me here there a long time, you know. And me have been through thick and thin and you're there with me, Ashley. Not gonna lie to you. You see me? But I feel like I need to take advantage of the opportunity.
So, I left you come for call left me for foreign girl. Eh? That you come for come tell me? No, don't do me this. Me put on all the phone. Don't do me this. Not do me this. Look how long me and they together. Eh? Look how we have suffer how long now I know you really come for come tell me if you're gonna left me go there with foreign girl.
Yeah, just cool. Just calm down now, man. Calm down now. Remember now, you know, this opportunity here is not for me alone, you know. And me I think about when time I see that something I come up, you know. Because look at this. It's when time she help me, I'ma go up. Right away, me I go there and set myself a certain way. Then me I go file for babes. And in the meanwhile, me I go still go and send a little thing for you. So nobody thinks you me alone. And me and you me I look out for baby girl. I look on the bigger picture, don't look on it for now. Look on the bigger picture, man.
I think you take me for idiot, not true. You are gonna tell me now say you wanna go foreign. Go to foreign woman. Jesus Christ. You know what I'm saying? Enough man have them good woman out here and go foreign to foreign woman and go breed them, married to them and settle down and I remember about them woman out here. Now that you want to do to me.
Ashley, you have to look on it that way, you know. And don't think on it selfish, you know. Because you know, say, I could have tell you about one wedding I go and say I'm a friend I get married. And in turn, I really me did I go get married and hide it from you, you know, Ashley. I rate it, make me I tell you this right now, you know. It's an opportunity, me see, Ashley, but me need to take advantage of. You should just be happy because at the long run, it's going to work out for the two of we, Ashley.
You know what? I want where me see. You know what? Go on with your foreign woman. Go on, because you just a mash up my head right now. You just a bust up my brain right now, you know? Go on, yeah, man.
Ashley.
Go on, man.
Jesus Christ. Boy. I try to explain it.
Yo, Ricky.
All gone.
You're just a passer. Come on, man. Long time I don't see you. You're just a passer. You can't heal me up, you know. Not through me and my auntie there again. You can call to me, man.
No, man. I son me I try to come out of that, so I'm not even see you.
I feel really son hot, man. But if you heal me up when you see me, man,
Yeah, man.
you don't know you go already. But you get big though. So what go on with the auntie? A long time I don't see her.
You know, I said some more go on Monday. How that?
No, my cousin, sir. She go on like a for place. She get deep from foreign and me sorry for her and take her up. Yeah, man, she want to come out of the place because she can go on like a for place. But she have only come on up the road named Chaz.
You know, some no chance do.
Well, you know him. But anyway, it look like she not cold too long, so her head look like a chip. That's why she behave and go on, so. But as I say, I dip, she get dip still, so I'm sorry for Chaz still, but look more still, me I go in.
Good for you.
Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Come here, I have to talk to her about behavior when she just born me.
Oh, God, brother.
Right here, Ricky.
You know, so I'm come to talk to you about something, to show you one vibe. Me dey see, my Uncle Richie, where used to there with my auntie, and You see him lady where you say you're there with?
Yes.
I feel him cousin.
Yeah man. I know about Richie man. Richie may not meet all Richie too man. Yeah man. My family with that brother there.
Yeah, but the thing is, you know, you did tell me something. The lady, she not have no money, you know. He tell me say, I dip in get dip. She get dip.
No man, my baby no get dick man.
Brother, Anna ask me, I tell her. And she get kicked out of the country. You see all the apartment where you say she own a theme apartment.
My youth, no bother with that. My girl place. I stay, you know, some of it, I go talk to her about him, you know. As she just leave him in charge because she never have nobody for go and take care of her place, man. I fear her place, man. Just cool of him, man.
Brother, but him tell me same thing. But the truth is, you know, him only do that because he never want Candy to look bad.
I don't.
Brother, it makes sense. Because remember, the same thing, you know, you tell me say she not spend no money. She give you promises and she not deliver. Brother.
Oh, watch out now.
Ready for be careful, you know.
Ricky. Just cool, man. This, no, man. Watch out now, man. I believe her.
Brother.
She nah go do this to me. Just cool on me, brother, man.
Brother.
Misunderstand it. Watch out now. You just misunderstand where Richie tell you. I just simply that.
Me know for a fact that Richie now gonna come out of the blue and come tell me something like this. How much of a coincidence that can be? That can't be a coincidence, brother.
So the man cannot lie to your brother for make him seem like a him hype, brother. The man cannot hype too.
So why would I just come to me and tell me that fact?
Yo.
I'll be able not even talk like that. Brother, right now I feel like you're living in denial. You want to fly out and you're in a tough spot right now with money and you're spending for she. And may I say, be careful. You need to confront her and find out the truth.
Yo, man, just don't. I can't believe I can do that. I don't believe this, man. Candy nah set me up so. Yo, Candy, me and Candy make some real big dreams, you know, brother. Me I tell you so we make some plans out. Yo, you want to hear some of the ideas and we'll come up with and some of the things we intend to do, brother? You know what?
Brother, that are just dreams.
No say a word, man. You know what? I go run. Cause I feel like I need some answers to just clear up something. Cause you bring a look of thought and processing in my head when I really need to go figure out something out.
Alright, but
I go make a link.
no, but I do not rush, you know. And get yourself in a trouble.
Right now, Ricky, I think I can make a promise today, you know, but we see what going on. Trust me, man. Cha-cha. What is so far, God? Big man, what going on?
Yo, how am I general?
No, man, no other general. Yo, Candy there?
No, she not there, you know.
She not there?
No, she not there.
You know, someone ask you a question.
Alright, father.
Yeah, man. Big one. I hear your vibes, and I want to find out, you know. How of a place?
Well, before my answer still, what kind of vibes are here, say?
Watch out, man. Just tell me how of a place now, Richard. Big man thing. How really own this place, yeah? Something wrong, you know. Something don't look right.
Yo, I don't really want to get in you and Candy involved in you and Candy things, you know. But what you say?
Richard, me I hear say I hear a place, you know. How it really? I really hear a place.
As I just said a while ago still, I never want to get involved in your and Candy business still, because uno business after uno business, and I done the one Candy already say, you look like a one young boy, and me not think you right for her, and she see it otherwise. You understand?
Sure.
So right now here we are going. Me no want to lie to you, I tell you the truth, my general. You want to know say I'm my place.
Jesus Christ. See, John Star. So now lie to me from the gate.
Yo, hear what me say, my general? Me don't want you feel like some media lie to you, you know. She just asked me if just keep up my appearance, and I just when I say Ray. Me not involved in anything as I say because I done did tell Candy say she's a little boy for him.
Christ. Brother, you know how much money me spend?
How much money you do?
She come on my workplace and borrow money for pay for...
Yo, bro,
I carry the girl to a restaurant and spend much money on food.
Brother, as I say, I don't want to involve in anything. Me not lie to you. I just want to keep up appearance. Candy ask me to do a thing and I just play along. But I don't tell you, say, I don't do that. Remember, I said, when you come in to me, you know, I don't tell you, say, you look too young for Candy. And you know, I say, oh, this, that, you in love, you know, Ray. So, nobody come ball to me, you know.
Big man, a whole heap of money me spend, you know. A whole heap of money me spend on the woman, you know. The woman come to my workplace and take all $100,000 from my card, so, you know. And then I carry all Candy go restaurant, go buy a bunch of food. Jesus Christ. I really I tell me, say, no go so. So she come from foreign for true, a vacation she depend, no.
Alright, I don't mean if you laugh, God, no, I don't mean if you laugh off of you.
Laugh off of me,
I first be my...
It's on a vacation she depend.
Sorry, my boss, sorry, I don't mean if you laugh. I first, in a real life, I hear the masturbation that's still up. So, you what, me don't want to say too much. When she come, she will explain to you and tell you the fullness.
Big man,
you ask her, when she come, just like you come up front and ask me, say, Ray, just ask her and she will level with you and tell you the truth. Although, and my cousin still know, she have a liar tendency still, you know.
So she now fly out back, and next week she tell me say she'll go away, you know?
Bro, me don't want to say nothing more. When Candy come, Candy will explain to you because, as I say, my cousin, and a long time I know her, she have a little liar tendency, so when she come, she will tell you the fullness.
I spend out on this woman, you know, because this woman tell me say everything will go alright, you know?
Alright, you are going. You can go and rest out yourself. Me about just go up because me there cook some little rice and peas.
I'm gonna man. Me all the fall my work, you know?
Alright.
Me not go nowhere. She have to come sort out this and give me back my own, you know? Cause... Oh, Star. Yo, call her, you know? I'm not gonna know, you know? All of my money. Hey, you see you, Candy?
Hey, Chaz, what are you doing here, sweetheart?
What, dog? Yo, nobody come sweetheart me, you know? I mean by, yo,
like that?
Candy, yo, cut all them accent the two man. A fool to take my fine.
What's your problem?
I mean by what? Candy, a bill like you tell me fine you come here, you know?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Candy, you know how much money you make me invest? You know how much money I spend on you, man? I only if you know say yo, you never own this place, yeah? You know say a fool to take me for Candy. A fool to take man fine. A be style you style me friend, you come and full up my head a bag of foolishness, you know. And you know say nothing no go say, you know, my girl. A fool. Yo.
Chaz, hang on a little bit.
Yo.
Listen. Next time when you see foreigners come to Jamaica, you don't put your trust in them. Yeah? You use wisdom. So you guys out here think you can just use all foreigners like that? Well, let me tell you something. Listen to me now, Chaz. Me, a real born Jamaican. You can't style me. You hear me I tell you? You don't know when me go through over there, so. My youth, a drugs me used to push. And the feds them catch me. So me get deep, let me tell you straight up since as you want the truth. You hear me I tell you? Me get deep and come to Jamaica. What you feel like? And my cousin place me there. All when me tell you say I feel me house. You don't love believe people too much you don't know from nowhere. That's why people use you know and take you from the country, carry you go for them country and have you like a doormat. Next time, use your brain and stop use your trust and your faith in the people. You don't know me from nowhere. And what you feel like? Me an idiot? You feel say me an idiot? My youth right now, me I look about myself for go away and then tell me say they nah give me the visa. So you know what me I go do? Take the boat.
Candy, are the biggest fish on the menu you order, you know?
Me go take a boat, so right now, I jump me a plan for jump the wall. But if I get you, Chaz, I can help you in the end. You understand? Okay?
Candy.
So don't worry, Chaz,
No,
don't
man.
even go there. Because you know I really like you. Chaz,
Candy, and I
what
so
are
like
you-
go, Candy.
No,
and
no,
I
no.
so
listen,
like go.
I don't like you. I love you. I plan to marry you.
Jesus
You understand
Christ.
what I'm saying?
Man still a tell me bag a line them star.
I am
Candy,
going to marry
love
you.
is based on trust. And Candy right now, I can't trust you. Cause you lie to me, Candy. You tell me say I feel your place. You never own the
I
damn
really
room.
liked you. That's why I tell you so much lies. I break up, you want to break up with
Everything
me?
Chris Candy.
That means you
Everything
never
Chris,
love me
man.
and somebody you did I look for you too.
Everything Chris, man. Candy, me spend my money for you. I mean by if me never love you, Candy. Me wouldn't give nobody else my money, not the woman. I mean, yard get them money that we spend for you, Candy. And you gonna tell me say me never love you.
That's it. That's
Candy,
the
a
point.
fool you take me for, man.
That's the point I'm trying to show you, honey. When we foreigners come here, you guys use us and abuse us and take us for granted. Now somebody use you. You need to use your head next time.
Everything Chris, man.
Get out of my cousin's place and
Everything
leave.
Chris, yeah.
I can meet somebody
Everything
else better
Chris,
than you
hey,
and who's
don't-
sensible more than you.
Don't make
You're
me call you a
stupid.
road no Candy.
You're
That
a
not gonna tell you no
stupid guy.
Candy.
You're very stupid. You're damn
Never
stupid.
Oh, Candy,
One
make
way
me
I
fall
go.
my
What
woman
you
for
feel
you, you
like?
know.
What you feel like? So me you did want to use your brighty.
If there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.
Big up on yourself. If you're hearing the sound of my voice, that means you watch the video to the end. So I want to say thank you very much. The last video that we post, I talk about the website. The website is richardbrownfilms.com. So head over to the website and sign up. It simply means once you sign up to the website, whenever we post a video on YouTube, it will also be posted on the website. But on the website, it won't have any ads in it, so you can watch a video without have to worry about all the ads. Also, you will have the opportunity to get content that won't be available anywhere else, because soon and very soon, as soon as we get the 1,000 persons to subscribe and then we start having the pay members, then what we're going to have is we're going to have content there that will be nowhere else on the internet. You definitely would have to come on the website to watch the content. And the fee that we're going to charge once we start charging is just cheap. $3.65, meaning that $3 US 65 cents, not $365, $365 US, and that's not even 500 Jamaican dollars, and that will serve you for the entire year. You will get access to clean content without ads, content that is nowhere else on the internet except the website. So please sign up, and if you can tell a friend about the website, tell them about it so them can also sign up. I want to say thank you to all the persons who have always been supporting the movement and who stick around just for ensure someone always look out for me. For the persons that will always reach out to you and send donation, we want to say thank you guys very much. We do appreciate it. For the long time people who always stick around with me, Navleen and all the other persons who always stick around. The names are too much to call. Persons you know yourself, you know me, and so we greatly appreciate all that because without we can't do what we are doing. You know, we really want to step into the next realm, which is start creating content for other streaming platforms. Soon but very soon we're going to do that before the year end, because we have the necessary tools and equipment to do what we want to do. We always need donation, we always need contribution. So if you're out there and you watch this and you feel compelled to support what we do, what we are doing, send something can give we, make we can push towards where we are pushed to. But before we go, remember, Dr. Jack too, I'm always a support from day one. Give thanks to him, the bully team, you know what I say, and all the others who ensure say you put out a pound for we. We appreciate it. We'll never forget the love and support from Uno. We want to say big up to one of our little subscriber. She saw us at a funeral the other day and she gladly contacted some picture, and we really appreciate it. We're going to put the picture in the video. She named Finisha. You know what I say, big up yourself. She watched every single one of our video. And for the persons who watch us and love what we are doing, never feel shy and afraid to approach us and make we know when we see we on the street. So big up on yourself. Continue to support. Remember to head over to the website Richard Brown Films, and also follow me on Instagram. And if you don't want to talk about nothing, hit me up on Instagram, man. We can hold a reason. And if you're a female out there and you're interested in acting and want to be a part of what we do, link we up and we see how we can make it work on Instagram. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys for subscribing and keep on supporting.